Boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, stop it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making this elote pasta. It's so good, so delicious. Y'all must try. First though, your girl is hungry, so I'm gonna make some ranch dip. We're gonna do 2 packets, 24 ounces of sour cream, mix it all together. And these chips, y'all, these are the chips you've been missing in your life. I tell you, go ahead and get in your car, go to Costco, and go grab some of these. These are the best chips I've ever had in my entire life. And don't say I ain't trying to put you on, okay? Back to the pasta. First, we're going to chop up a red onion. Don't mind my chopping skills, y'all. One thing I hate is chopping up some veggies. We're going to add some jalapenos. Make sure you gut those. Take all the seeds out, the stems out. Chop those up as well. Add them to the bowl. Then we're going to do some cilantro. Everything here is double the recipe. So whatever you see, if you're not trying to make that big, go half. Chopped up that. These limes. Yeah, we're going to roll them around. Get them, all the juice squeezed, I guess, kind of before we cut them. And then we're going to put them in the pasta too. I was actually supposed to do 4 limes, so if you're doing a small one, do 2 limes. These are the seasonings that we use. Some garlic, some of this, some of that, and a bazaar of that, okay? Those are the seasonings. We also add sour cream and mayonnaise. 1 cup for a big batch, half a cup for a small one. Then, I had to add some of this all over it because what is elote pasta without some of this? This is the bowl I'm going to use because I made a whole bunch. These are all the toppings and the veggies mixed together. And, of course, there's my pasta. So we mix that in there. I put all the seasonings on top. And then I just mix everything together real good, real well. But last but not least, we need the corn. Because what is elote pasta without the corn? Without the elote. So we're going to fire roast that. We put it on a grill. And we finna put it on the grill. On the grill. Fire roasted, duh. All right, there we go. Got a little bit of oil in there. Also add seasonings to that. A little bit of bacon grease up in there. Amazing. Put it in there. Put a cheese on top. This is the final product. This is what it looks like. It was so good. It was so delicious. Everybody loved it. And I hope I just gave you something new to try, baby. You know what I'm saying? For my girlies like to try stuff out. Hope you enjoyed.